Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa atin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Bago po natin ipakilala ang ating mga bisita ngayong hapon, I am excited to share na ngayong Sunday po, September 29, tampok sa My Mother, My Story, ang kwento ng Pinoy Olympian at #1 Asian pole vaulter na si EJ Obiena. He's also #3 in the world. For the September episode of our monthly special, mapapanood niyo po ang aking panayam kay EJ at ang kanyang inang si Jeanette, who is his biggest cheerleader mula pa po noong siya ay nagsisimula sa mundo ng sports. Jeanette was also an athlete. She was a hurdler. Napakahusay. Ang ama naman ni EJ po ay pole vault silver medalist sa SEA Games. At sabi nga ni EJ, growing up with parents who are competitive athletes are both good and bad. As athletes, you would think na pinilit nila si EJ na mag-sport, mag-pole vault din. Pero hindi po, priority ng kanyang mga magulang ay safety and well-being of the child. Kaya noong nagkaroon ng injury si EJ, they actually wanted him to quit. Pero pinili ni EJ na ituloy pa rin ang kanyang Olympic dream. For the first time, EJ would also get into details kung paano naapektuhan ang relasyon nila ng kanyang ina nung pareho silang inakusahan ng embezzlement ng Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association o PATAFA. Nakakatuwa po doon sa aming pag-uusap dahil sabi ni EJ, hinanap pa rin daw po niya ang ibig sabihin ng embezzlement sa diksyonaryo. It is in our conversation. It was a controversy that deeply wounded them. EJ questioned his mother for the decision she made. Nagalit siya, nagtampo, pero sa huli, nanaig pa rin ang kanilang pagmamahal at suporta para sa isa't isa. Sa special na ito po, makikilala natin si EJ as a man who never quits, a man who fights for his truth, and a man who honors his family, and a man who loves this country. Totoo. Yan po ang totoo. Pinapangako ko po sa inyo, this episode is worth your time. Abangan niyo po ang My Mother, My Story. Ngayong linggo, 2:00 ng hapon po. This Sunday, that's September 29, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, pagkatapos po ng All Out Sundays. Maraming salamat po. And EJ, maraming salamat. So tayo nagbabalik dito sa Fast Talk at meron ho dito mga dumating na hindi natin kilala pero parang hindi ko alam kung anong gusto nila.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
Kung hindi mo lang nalalaman, ako ang pinakabago, ang pinakabata at ang pinaka-fresh na asawa.
Si Facundo, ako ang pinakisamahan. Ikaw, sino ka?
Ako ang pinakamahal niya. Ako ang asawa niya.
Ako ang legal. Ako ang may papel.
Teka lang, wala sa ligaw, wala sa minahal. Yung pinakabago, ang pinaka-importante sa
Ano ba ang pinag-uusapan natin? Ano bang hinahabol niyo? Ano bang gusto niyo?
Karapatan.
Ang karapatan saan?
Karapatan.
Magsalita sa burol
Sa
ng
lahat.
asawa natin?
Teka.
Sa lahat.
Hindi ko siya kailangang hingin. Akin siya.
Teka lang ha. Teka lang.
Sino kaya ang nagbabayad ng lahat ng gastusin? Siyang Susan, paalisin mo ang dalawang ito. Please.
Walang makakapagpalaya sa akin dito.
Layas! Layas!
No.
Layas!
No.
Ayoko.
Akin lang
Palakpakan mo
to.
natin.
Ay, papa-acting naman ka eh.
Oo, di ba?
That's acting ba ito?
Oo.
Kuya
Marika,
Germs, is that you? I know.
ginagawa niyo yun dati sa bahay?
Yes.
Talaga?
Boy,
As in,
ginagawa
improv
namin.
talaga?
Yes.
Nakakatawa. Kaya ang dami niyong nahasa sa That's Entertainment.
Yes.
Please, make
Thank you,
yourselves
Tito Boy.
comfortable. At nakakatuwa yun. And when you remember That's Entertainment, what comes to mind?
Ako parang kabataan ko eh. Kasi I really started very young.
Anong edad?
13 years
13.
old.
Ako
14.
14.
Aha.
So parang doon ako nagkamulat. Ang dami ko natutunan. Maliban dun sa ang training namin live, on air, sa
Totoo.
stage. Ganon kami nagtitrain nung araw.
And Tito
Okay.
Boy, ang punta namin sa That's Entertainment, hindi lang isang araw. Kunwari, oh my gosh, ayun na. Oh my gosh, may modeling. Eh, syempre, green.
Ikaw yun,
green.
Charmaine?
Yes, that's me, naka-green. Diba, Hulk na Hulk.
Ibang klaseng lakad mo doon, ha?
Kunwari,
Okay, you were
model.
saying.
Yeah. Kunwari yan, Wednesday group ako niyan. So, pupunta kami dyan, di lang Wednesday. Meron kaming rehearsals like twice, thrice a week. Nandiyan
Yeah.
kami kung wala kaming studio, wala kaming budget. Kung hindi ka nanalo dun sa contest every Saturday, dun ka sa basement.
Sa parking.
That's me. That's
Oh,
me.
okay.
Sa parking.
Sa parking.
Doon kayo nagre-rehearse?
Parang
Nagre-rehearse
nakatira na
kami.
kami sa GMA Broadway Centrum.
Naalala ko yun.
Oh, doon na kami lumaki.
Oo. Ano yung hindi nyo malilimutang karanasan? I mean, just one.
Just one.
Maybe personal, maybe professional, maybe a song number, maybe a dance number, maybe falling in love, falling out of love, may nakatampuhan.
Na-in-love ka ba nung time na yun?
Secret.
Ano? Na-in-love ka doon?
Ay, wala akong maalala. Parang sa dami ng anesthesia ko. Parang hindi naman.
Na-in-love lang ako. Ako siguro, Tito Boy, yun nga yung parang playground namin siya, na training ground.
Okay, I get that.
Parang ang laki ng naidulot sa akin nun sa pagkatao ko, sa
Oo.
pag-artista.
At saka ang hirap pumili ng isa, no?
Ang hirap.
Oo. Ano na lang, what was your favorite performance, Charmaine?
Ay, hindi. Ako naalala ko na, Tito Boy. Ang hindi ko makakalimutan
Okay.
sa That's, yung unang araw na pinakilala ko kay Kuya Germs. Kasi nag-start ako, Viva Films muna.
Okay.
I made a movie and then sabi, kailangan may regular show ako. So pinakilala ko kay Kuya Germs right there and then, he introduced me in the live show. He made me a member. And then when I was in stage, as in first time ko makakita ng audience. And then sabi niya, spell That's Entertainment. And I was so nervous. I think I spelled it wrong in the end of yung parang MENT, ganyan. And then I wanted to cry kasi I was so nervous na naririnig ko yung boses ng mga tao sa audience. First time ko makakita ng audience, Tito Boy, eh. Kasi pag movie, wala naman, di ba? You're just acting.
Right.
Yeah, I'll never forget that. As in, I hid in the house that day and my classmates were calling and saying nakita daw nila ako sa TV, ganyan. I didn't want to talk to them. But they were just so happy to see me on TV. I'll never forget that.
Na hindi lang narinig na mali pala ang pagka-spell mo ng That's
Ako
Entertainment.
still hooked on na parang nagkamali ako.
Pero leksyon yan, even in hosting, sometimes we do things, not just hosting, kahit ngayon, pag nag-uusap tayo, minsan natatapilok ang ating dila. And then, ang pakiramdam natin, ang laki-laking mali.
Correct.
Pero sa nanonood, hindi naman napansin.
Oo.
And then we carry that, pagkatapos pa ng perform, hindi ko nasabi. But everything was okay.
Pero Tito Boy, ngayon, iba na dahil sa social media.
Inuulit-ulit.
Naku, oo, tapos naghihimay-himay nila. May mga thought bubble pa dito ngayon. So, ang hirap magkamali ngayon.
Let's talk about Maka. But I agree with you. So it's a more challenging time, ika nga. Yung Maka, in one of your interviews, you were asked kung bakit mo tinanggap ito. At ang sabi mo, of course, you know, I want people to know that I'm here. I want people to know that I want to work.
Yes, I want to work. I missed working. Tito Boy, ang last regular show ko was 2018 pa.
Tagal, no? Pero kayong dalawa, was there a time in your career na ang feeling nyo nakalimutan kayo ng industriya?
Oo naman, Tito Boy.
Meron.
Lalo na yung time na nag-asawa ko, nawala ako ng ilang taon. Oo, pati yung pagbalik ko, yung role na natanggap ko, para namang hindi yun yung ginagawa ko bago ako umalis. Ganon. So
Okay.
parang ang feeling ko, grabe, nakalimutan na nila ako. Tsaka ang liit-liit nung role. Yung parang ibang-iba yung tingin nila sa akin nung nag-comeback ako. Bumalik ako mag-TV.
I understand that. Ikaw,
Tito
Shirley?
Boy, gusto ko yung... Meron kasi ako yung mga guestings, but kunwari merong show, di ba? Parang they get you in the middle of the show. Iba pa rin yung from the start of the show, yung nagpo-promo ka, MediaCon,
Gusto mo
kasama ka. Yun, ito, kasama ko. Gusto ko yung ganito. Yun, yung last ko was 2018 nga na ganun. But then I still had like guestings naman in between. But I miss like this. Gusto ko yung ganito. Yung
No, at ang
work
dami
talaga.
nakakamiss. Do you miss your dad?
My dad?
Yeah, di ba? Kadalasan kasama mo?
Yeah, before. Yeah,
Tama ba ako?
Yeah.
Awards
Awards
nights.
night, yeah, you
because
remember
I would
that?
host some of them. Oo,
Yeah.
your dad was always with you.
Correct.
Oo, nakakamiss din yon.
Correct. Na-miss ko nga din yung dad ko.
No, I just remember because you said...
My mom's watching.
Of course, hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. I missed, you know, the promo, etc. What did you miss the most nung hindi ka aktibo?
Pag-arte talaga. Dito, boy. Alam mo,
Bahagi na.
nasa puso ko siya eh. Kasi kahit ilang taon ako nawala, kahit tumira pa ako ng Amerika for a while, hinahanap ko talaga. Parang, meron akong ibang nafe-feel pag naririnig ko yung lights, camera, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, parang nag-adrenaline rush ako.
Ganda.
Totoo ito. Dito, boy.
I believe you. May naging boyfriend ka sa That's?
Wala.
Wala?
Wala, pero ang daming...
Sabi ni Charmaine, ako?
Ang daming pa-cute. Kasi naman dito, boy, teenager lang ako. Tsaka ang mami ko noon, ibang klase.
Iba.
Bantay sarado.
Sandali, may
Yes.
naging boyfriend ka, Charmaine?
Pwede ibang question na lang.
Okay, ibang question na lang. Oo.
Alam mo, makakalusot ka mamaya.
You know,
meron pa.
before I do fast talk, I just wanna tell you, Maricar, na napakaganda nung nangyari sa inyo ni Aiko. It meant a lot, di ba? You had a misunderstanding, you were talking to each other, and then suddenly na-taping, nagtapikan, yung walang usapan.
Hindi ako aware dyan.
Ako gusto ko
hindi,
yun.
Kasi para kaming, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, lumaki kami ni Aiko para kami magkapatid.
Right.
Sa Bubble Gang, mga original po
Okay.
kami dyan, siya kami nag-start. Until a few years later, nagkaroon ng mga issues kasi nag-asawa ko.
Okay.
Nagkaroon ng mga misunderstandings. Until one day, as in dumating kami sa point, hindi kami nagpapansinan, parang nagkikita kami. Hanggang may offer ako at may tawag sa akin, Tadhana. Tadhana, siya yung kaming dalawa yung nag-aagawan sa isang anak. Sabi ko, I think it's time. Sabi ko, kung tatanggapin niya, alam niyang ako'y makakasama niya, ibig sabihin, maaayos namin.
No, I wanted to say na napaka-admirable. Yung, di ba sa magkakaibigan, may mga tao nagsasabi, pero kanya-kanya ho tayo, hindi ko sinasabi, ni-impose natin ito na, hindi, pag-usapan muna natin. Let's go back to why it happened. Ang nangyari sa inyong dalawa, wala. You know, parang magkaibigan, parang...
Completely misunderstanding and miscommunication.
At hindi lang yun, pagpapatunay na mas malalim ang inyong pagkakilala sa isa't isa kesa doon sa inyong hindi pagkakaunawaan. I like the idea na hindi binabalikan. Sabi ko, I wish I can do that also in my personal life, na may mga friends ka na huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Tagal natin hindi nag-usap. Let's enjoy the moment. Maikli ang buhay.
Yes.
And
Tama.
thank you. I mean, you know, I read about it in a narrative. Napakaganda. Ikaw ba, as a friend, matanim ka or you easily forgive?
Madali ako magtampo, matagal din akong nagtatampo, pero once I forgive naman. And when I forgive, tapos na.
That's right. Let's do fast talk. Charmaine, noon ngayon,
Ngayon,
beautiful face, beautiful personality.
personality.
Magandang mata, matangos na ilong.
Matangos na ilong.
Mahigpit na ina, konsentidor na ina.
Mahigpit.
Selosang misis, under na misis.
Under na misis.
Magaling, madiskarte.
Madiskarte.
Wild or tame.
Tame.
Sweet or feisty.
Feisty.
Masaya, mayaman.
Masaya.
Guilty or not guilty, niligawan ng leading man.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, tinakasan ang kadate.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, may nakatarayang artista.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, ginugol ang sarili.
What?
Ginugol, you googled yourself.
Ay, guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nangarap maging beauty queen.
Not guilty.
Na role mo sa Maka, di ba? Former beauty queen.
Beauty queen talaga.
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 Okay. One word, describe your youth.
My youth, I was beautiful.
Still is. One word, describe yourself now.
I'm a work in progress.
Ganda. One word, describe your future self.
Amazing.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for happiness.
Every day.
Kaharap mo ang dalagang Charmaine, ano ang ipapayo mo sa kanya?
Huwag kang kumain ng chocolates!
Marami kayo ngayon mga katrabaho sa Maka na mga bata.
Mga Gen Z,
Gen
Tito
Z,
Boy.
di ba? At saka meron pang, how do you call that? Yung mga alpha? Gen Alpha. What do you think of them? What kind of people are they? And what kind of actors are they? Pangalawa, ito I wanted really to ask you. Sa industriya na inyong na ating ginagalawan, alin ang mas mahalaga? Talent o pakikisama? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kasama pa rin po natin Charmaine at Maricar. Invite everybody to Maka. It started last Saturday.
Thank
Go
you
ahead.
very much sa lahat ng mga nanood ng pilot show ng Maka.
Yes. Happy kami, mataas.
Mataas ang
Charot.
ratings. Maraming
Congratulations.
salamat.
Yes. This is every Saturday at 4:45 p.m. dito sa GMA at sa mga Kapuso live stream.
Okay, let's do Fast Talk. Maricar. Okay, hot mama, sexy actress.
Sexy actress.
Taas kilay, taas kamay.
Taas kamay.
Go bingo girl, bubble girl.
Go bingo girl.
Work out or eat out?
Workout.
Basketballista, artista.
Basketballista.
Guwapo, mayaman.
Mayaman.
Single, ready to mingle.
Ready to mingle.
Huminga muna. Unang tinitingnan mo sa lalaki.
Teeth.
Unang tinitingnan ng lalaki sa'yo.
Mata.
Guilty or not guilty, nakipag-date sa mas bata.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nakipag-date sa politiko.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, mahilig makipag-chismis.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, in-stalk ang IG ng ex.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nakipagsabunutan sa babae.
Not guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Ah, okay. Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Every day.
Advice to your young self. Ano ito?
Be stronger and smarter.
Nice. What do you think about, the young actors and who you're working with on Maka?
I think they're very talented. I'm really looking forward to doing scenes with all of them. When I saw the trailer, the first time sa MediaCon, Tito Boy, I tell you, tumindig yung
Yes.
balahibo ko.
Talaga.
As in, the talent of Zephanie when she sang, oh my gosh. As in talagang, I will never forget that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tsaka hindi
Yeah.
lang siya singer, but actress.
That's true. I can smell the excitement. Sa industriyang ito, ano ang mas mahalaga? Pakikisama o talent?
I think pareho.
Pareho,
You
Tito
cannot
Boy.
have just talent and not make pakisama.
Pakisama.
Kung merong makakaangat ng konti.
Talent. I guess it's talent.
No, I have to say it's both.
It's really both.
I think it's both.
As in
Because
50-50.
I've seen people who are talented, but then if nobody likes you, nobody gets along with you, I mean, they're not gonna want to work with you.
Pero maraming may attitude.
Maraming may attitude. That's true. That's
Sige nga,
over
sino-sino?
the years, diba? Ay,
Jerome,
sino-sino?
ito naman. Anong ginagawa nyo pag ang katrabaho nyo may attitude?
Ay, ako hindi ko bubulong. Ako hindi ko pinapansin. Lalo na kung mas bata
You go
sa
your way.
akin. Yes, I go my way. Hanggang maramdaman niya na, teka lang, kailangan mong matuto kasi pinagdaanan ko to. Ako natuto ako.
Ganda.
Pakisama.
In a few words, describe yourselves. Anong klaseng mga ina kayo?
Ay.
I'm loving, I am devoted mother to my children.
Maricar.
Dito ba nagkaroon ako ng patience because of my daughter? Ito to be honest, bilang late ako nagkaanak, I'm the one learning from her.
Ganda.
So she's teaching me a lot.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And Maka, panoorin po natin. That's every Saturday.
Please enjoy your
Congratulations.
show.
We will. Aabangan namin yan tuwing Sabado.
Yes, kasama po namin si Romnick Sarmenta,
Sila
Georgia
Zeph.
Alejor, yes. si
Tina
Zephanie-
Paner.
Tina Paner, Zephanie.
Bangus Girl,
Yes, si Bangus-
Carmen Soriano, of course.
Yes, nandiyan din. Si Marco. Nandiyan din. At si Ashley.
Maraming salamat po, Naitay Kapuso. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga tahanan. Thank you. We'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now, and God bless.